Hello, let me show you how to get your iPhone screen in your Mac. First, you have to connect your iPhone with a data cable and open your Launchpad and search for the QuickTime Player. And top of the buttons you can see there's a file button, and you have to click now new movie recording. Now bottom of this app you can see there's a scroll button. Click it and choose to your iPhone. Thing is, you can't control your iPhone with this movie recording, but you have to control your phone yourself. And you have to unlock your iPhone and you can start to record this screen. Oh, you can see what's going on.